This week we learned 7 new words. That's why in Master Azerbaijani, word of the day, it's a recap day. Let's see, what did we learn? We learned how to say ƏLAVƏ for additional, extra, and spare. We learned how to say KİRAYÄ, rental. We learned how to say Vermək, something important to give, hand over, provide, or donate. We learned important too, Maaş, salary, wage. We learned Məlumat, information, data, details. And we learned Gorbagor, curse, damn, that's the slang word day. We learned YAXIN to signify something near, close by. All right? Yes, you are right. Here are dad joke uses. I asked for Məlumat, but got a 3-hour monologue. The deadline to complete this project is very YAXIN. I had a plan, then Monday happened. Now it's Gorbagor. Pressing the VM button, peace vermək, vacation days vermək, coffee vermək, all that can be used with vermək. All the ƏLAVЭs bring the total cost up to twice what I've planned. Now, quiz time. Which word means extra? Drop in the comments below. Don't worry about writing words that I, just type in with the closest letter that you think it is. Remember, come back tomorrow for a new word because every week we are starting a new set of word covering a certain topic. Just make sure to come back to learn, continue learning. Because remember, consistency is the fluency. Thanks so much for watching. New week starts with new words. Make sure to come back tomorrow to see what those words are. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more. Cheers.